Hey, it's Brad here at Century 21. Just giving a testimonial to the people over at Table 9 Media, specifically Tejas and his wonderful staff. Tejas reached out to me in the summertime and introduced me to this CRM and lead generation software that he's been using. He guaranteed that I would definitely get leads and get results. In fact, he wanted me to try it for 6 months, and now just a couple months into it, I'm happy to say I've taken the listing and sold it above asking. The seller's happy, I'm happy. There's other leads that are in the pipe. Speaking of leads, I'm getting probably inundated with so many leads that every once in a while I have to turn it off. And isn't that a great thing? Most importantly though, he's a man of his word. If something's not working, he's going to tweak some things to make sure it's working better. But ultimately, I'm very happy with the system. And if you're a realtor who is looking to generate more opportunities for yourself, by all means, give Tejas, his staff over at Table 9 Media a call. Take care.